In this video, I'll show you how to log out of all devices on Roblox. Open Roblox, then go to More. Click on Settings. Next, select Security. Scroll down to the Devices where you're logged in section. Click Log out of all other sessions. Confirm by selecting Log out. This will sign your Roblox account out of every other device except the one you're currently using. If you'd like to log out of your current session as well, go to More, then click Log out. Confirm by selecting Log out again. If you're using the Roblox website, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, open the Security tab, click Log out of all other sessions, confirm by clicking Log out, if you want to also log out of your current browser session. Click on the gear icon again and then select Log out. If you haven't added an email address to your account, Roblox may ask you to add one before signing out. You can choose Accept Risk of Losing Account and Log out if you want to continue without adding an email. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.